Please answer that. That's your aunt. Please answer that. That's your aunt. Please answer that. Hello?
Good evening, bad bargain pal. Bad bargain pal. Wagwan.
Good evening, Auntie Colleen.
But good evening, man. You can't call me.
Auntie Colleen, I'm gonna call you about what, 6 months ago or something like that.
Listen to me, man. We are living in rough times. Only need to call me at least 3 times a month or something like that. For see how I'm doing because anything can happen. When your mother left for go find for go take man, and me decide to take care of you now.
Alright, Auntie. Alright.
You, your brother, and your 2 picky egg sister them.
Auntie, them head no picky no more now. Them a make money and them a go do them here now a salon.
Well, good for them, but you see when me bathe and wash my thinking to them, only should I drink that water.
Auntie.
Me take care of you. Cause your mother run go like a foreign and she go take man and breathe and not even fart back pan uno. You hear me? You need to call me more
Auntie.
often.
Okay, I hear you, Auntie.
Yeah, man. You know I'm hang up the phone right now. Goodbye.
Alright.
Goodbye.